Okay, so it's all fixed now. I found out what it was. That ignition switch right there. I don't know if, where the key broke off in, so I used to just turn up my fingernail like like that and stuff. But I guess water got in it or something, and it's not sending electricity down to there. So I just took the light switch that I made, unhooked it from there, and hooked it up to the coil. So now I can at least drive it somewhere and use it if I had to. So now we'll see if it'll start. Oh yeah! These things down. Oh yeah. Well, that wasn't very hard to fix. So I guess I'll bring it way down here, put it in there, and turn on my heater, aka a hair dryer. Thaw this thing out. Because I gotta take a few things out. Gotta take a few things out first. If you can't tell, it's snowing again, so I don't know how much we're gonna get this time, but I know we got like 1.5 inches this morning, and they're saying another 2 inches or more, so I don't know. Well, I guess that's that.